In many parts of rural Fiji, access to safe drinking water is limited and water shortages can pose a real threat to daily life and the health of Fijian communities. Limited natural water catchment, unpredictable rainfall and dry spells mean villages rely on a number of different water sources, seasonal wells, boreholes and rainwater. Government has made it top priority that all Fijians to have access to good clean water for their everyday use.
Government had allocated $1.4 million for this initiative in this year's budget, and this involves the distribution of 1,600 water tanks to over 436 villages, settlements and schools. This is another example of my government's continued efforts in ensuring the basic needs of all Fijians are met. In this case, access to safe and clean drinking water.
This week on Nation's Business, we take a look at 3 communities in Ra that were assisted by government with access to clean drinking water. Traveling down Kings Road to Mbarotu, about 2 hours from Korovo town, is a small settlement of about 20 households.
Korongo ira ni mingkasira la kumena ida senga bulan baksa ti mera mai da vai korilutu le win bitui samania da ngona me tuno fava me sarvanga la te me korilutu mer sandila kolis non di kor gai bulan doni na ngasi si tu bolike tu tara ni misa ba yakani sarmani mikire nanga se kero ni rala ko mai mera mai batawana ke no ku ninga buli fote ke sona taber tu mera ngaravi samani bondo ni nanga se mera mai tu gono mani koro sule bera no bo koro ko mera mai bachi jukina rote ni le walu ne busa juike dundu ye busa fidana sana ne tasiri o te lebu ir ke vengo juike io sa vi o chungo tu sul con dona mbaki ni mi sanga tu mena paipo mi wai ke me ando untu ana to ibu irangori io sali buno sa sanga sa o chono be ka se vitu sa sanga sa rawa a senga ni erangu dia ke ngano wai o bombo ton balde ni do tu lu balele buna la visi do tu ni chula ke nando chu ki na koro sa ande de sa me na beto me na chu ngono wai.
Tokyo settlement was settled in the 70s, and from that time the villagers did not have pipe water for their everyday use. For almost 60 years, the community was using a borehole well to get drinking water, bathing and washing.
Sai katuli tama la jungo rasanga chuno wai na dori vi ko ke go vi ko go ra pai por juki na sa sanga tu ni minga se me ko mi no korongo no wai sangai mani ke robital roa sa do sarna menangono do robital tu kino ko matani reda ni sa tungo tani sa tikungo na purifier na wai le kausara mai na dam tu kusara mai ni lawa bia rosula kalima ke torso na kilometers menelo mani koro dona daga tigo bata yo sa bosoti na bugundendre ni ngandre no wai mero ka vingo na marama ro ka vingo na ngone ke mi se ke no ngone tala me na va ngona tumbi wai me na tuebu me ave me vengo io sa vi vangare no ka vingo sa ngai me do me no ndoro talo tikino ko sa tu sara ko matam ro ke bandindina sa ndu tu matani vale na paipo sa me va vingo no me torso ko ndone baki ke sa ngai chunga noi.
Tokyo village was assisted with water tanks, purifier and water pipes from the government at a total cost of almost $21,000. A water source was also located near Nakaupan Range, about 30 kilometers away, to supply water to the community.
Na singisu batawasi ke tu singi bakela na korongo na bukini tu kiri tu kumai. Toro ke delu men korongo ra lagu me bunin daka. Ke me singisu batawasi tu ngabi ko me ado bondo miki. Ucer tu ana patawasi sange ya demi na korongo na kilikili. Sababu na kin walu tampan matentu. Na bukuni bukilebu kim same morta tu ni kun sa kire tu same dola pepunga matani tu wal me bukan ken wanjen tin sini ko.
48-year-old Anna Maria Ndilangi remembers vividly that they had to wake up early in the morning to go to the well to do their washing.
Na visa na mbaki na ni mamindu ngoli sumbu na to yebu na le tawawai. Saba weni unu weni basang liko cuma na to yebu. Memian ramatak lela ni satara tu na wai seku meneka. Koro metu rono ni zakana basang mandra ngoli kurbulang wai. Nakaka na rangolehan.
Tu na bebu kilip sarme marona marama. Ara may bang tao tulo dola satu ana o nora mateni bal. To maden simbarme ngo kim kituba binata kana bebu kini tangini wai. Ana kena ada may lun tangini wai. So luwale. Kini apelata na form wakumai.
Former residents of Tokyo Village living overseas are witnessing the developments and are happy with what Tokyo Village has achieved. Stay with us. After the break, our nation's business team will visit Korotale settlement. Nadan Gaunda is a 70-year-old farmer who has lived in Korotale settlement all his life. Korotale settlement is about half an hour drive from Rakiraki town and has about 20 families who are mainly sugarcane and vegetable farmers. For almost 60 years, the community had no pipe water supply and they were using the nearby stream for their daily needs.
हम लोग ये ओटा प्रोजेक्ट से पहले हम लोग नदी के पानी यूज़ करता था और बहुत साफ पानी नहीं रहा, बहुत मैला पानी भी रहता रहा, कभी कभी बाढ़ चढ़े बहुत एक्स्ट्रा मैला पानी भी यूज़ करता रहा हम लोग। और फिर हम लोग अपन और मोड़ी पतरा सरा उसमें यूज़ करता रहा, वही पानी हम लोग गुजारा करा इतना दिन। लेकिन आज हम लोग अधिक खुश हो ये सरकार के ऊपर कि इतने बारी हम लोग के मदद दिए कि गाँव के आदमी हम लोग बहुत एक्स्ट्रा खुश है सरकार के ऊपर, इतने भारी हम लोग का मदद दिए।
According to Mr. Gaunda, they use the nearby river for drinking, bathing and washing.
बहुत ही कठिन हम लोग करा नदी में जा कपड़ा धोने के लिए। हमारे माता पिता सब बहुत तकलीफ उठाते थे, लेकिन आज हम लोग बहुत अधिक खुश हो कि इतने बारी मदद दी हम ये सरकार कि हम लोग के बहुत सुविधा हो गई। पहले नदी वाला पानी बहुत बारी काई पकड़ लेता रहा साहब और मैला पानी बहुत बारी आता रहा उसमें। आज तो बहुत ही सुंदर से बना दी से अब ये ला हम लोग को सिर्फ बड़ा टैंक बना दी से और बारी अमाउंट पैसा दी से $50,000 दी सरकार। हम लोग तो बहुत अधिक खुशी हो सरकार के ऊपर। हम लोग के ये पानी जो बहुत ही साफ पानी हम लोग आज मिलता है और वो ला पहले जो पीता हम लोग पानी वो हम लोग के स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहा, बहुत साफ पानी नहीं रहा। आज तो बहुत ही साफ पानी हम लोग पी रहे हैं।
Mr. Gaunda donated a piece of his land for the government to build the water tanks which will greatly benefit the Korotale community.
ये तो हमारे ज़मीन है, यहाँ पे जिन जगह ये जो टैंक रखा है हम तो अपन तरफ से हम ये सब डोनेट करा यहाँ पे कि हम लोग पानी टैंक बैठा के सब आदमी इसमें फ़ायदा उठा सके कि ये पानी तो सिर्फ परमेश्वर दी सी ला पानी भगवान दिया हुआ है, तब सबको इसमें फ़ायदा उठाए आज।
Initially, 16 families from Korotale settlement requested the government for water assistance.
Matai wo bin wali wo matin tulibu. Wo bin wali wo ana turan prime minister. Na bibu ke na tahun 2003 ko na non rebeliu tak. Kabukatan ngakin na wali pi regrak. Emam do telib may butuh ko na ni may sasang ani bay bakatol tak nabuni buno ndindi ngam duitukin lo mani buno go Korotale Pikito na tigabu kerkere le tinika ono no matabu wale. Ito a kerkere to manda sama wandoni sama tigabu saradadak sangai lau talangama na kerkere ver na bunga tala matabu wale era tigo boleka era suara sama itara wale bu nonra sa mai bangele sama tu sarna wilwili melada na rusa ulwadada.
The government provided $30,000 for the water project and also electricity to the Korotale community.
Eu na tawali na vebu kilebu. Vebu kemakina no matintu. Buku ni ni mai sama ibu kawangun wai tegibinaka na liwa asati ulah kata kemengo. Yang musa bakal situ ngani mbawin binaka.
Stay with us after the break as we visit Nararavo village in the interior of Ra. Nararavo village is a 2-hour drive from the main road and about 3 hours away from Rakiraki town. Nararavo village water project assistance was almost $45,000. The government provided water tanks and pipes, but the villagers themselves carried out the work, the setting up of the water tank, laying of pipes from source to the taps.
Kita tungango na bonwa dito mikina na paiba makawa. Sa mbiu. Rango sa dito mikina na lagi paiba bu. Rusa nga bulu ka ono. Na limu bali. Ito unti na wengo. Dakengo raya at sumbuin ako.
Nararavo village had piped water, but due to contamination from source, the Ministry of Health closed the old water source.
Sa smelu ati girago. So halang merta teman bula. Kukunin nama teman koro. Tukun bisa menawai. Aku lah nawai ko sa bibir na tumbuh kimam. So ngon to nauda. Awai sa bis man bititir to tango.
Village farmers were planting their farms above the old water source and contaminating the water that runs to their village.
I think for the old source, they had issues with farming above the old water source, and I think from our records we had a few cases of diarrhea and skin disease that had evolved from the village through our vulnerable group, which is our children and also our older generation. So at a point the village thought of having a new water source just to eliminate these diseases, waterborne diseases.
Oh, babi binakabali matentu. Undo na nambala na abisho babi zaman naturani korna sianga tuni tu wenyun. Itu wenyun ki makawa. Tu ngunu butu na wainduka na mate. Na titi tu maidake, takos tu maidake tu ngun tela. Nikua. Binakana matentu. Ni bibu kilebu azamai. Nikua. Itu sa maruta kana sangun wai saba. Na wai saranga na wai tobure ngamai. So ngayani nditi sombume imiazo mena taningo. Tani kana ngai supply boli nakor.
All this assistance is part of government's initiative and commitment to ensure that all Fijians have access to safe, reliable and clean drinking water. The government has allocated $1.41 million for water assistance in the 2017 to 2018 national budget. The government's 20-year National Development Plan has a target of 100% access to clean and safe water and proper sanitation. In the next 5 years, government will undertake major investments to cater for long-term water supply needs. Currently, approximately 78% of Fiji's population has access to a treated and reticulated water supply. So by 2021, government targets to provide clean and safe drinking water to rural areas by 85%.
Ladies and gentlemen, whether it's providing access to water, job tools or government services, these projects aren't just about the new resources that they will provide to our villages. It is about removing barriers, opening opportunities, and unlocking the full potential of every Fijian. My government is dedicated to arming each and every Fijian, man, woman, and child with the necessary tools to not only survive but to thrive as we enter a new era of Fijian greatness.